name's Caleb. We're making another BYOI.
BYOI.
BYOI. It stands for Bring Your Own Ice. And today we're going to make a red lemonade.
Now, is it a kid's drink or is it a...
And it's also a kid's.
So it's a kid's BYOI.
Yeah. So this is what we have. We have Limonade. We have some raspberries. We have watermelon. We have mint. And we have our ice and Sprite. And we have our shaker. And we have our drink.
Alright, so we're starting out. What's the first step?
First step is ice.
Do you want me to move the Sprite so you have room? There we go. You can adjust that. Let's get some ice. Hold on. Watch this. Watch this trick. A little bit more. That's enough.
Okay.
Let's put it back in here. That's fine. Leave it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna do some watermelon.
How many?
2.
How many raspberries?
4 raspberries. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A little bit of this.
You got this. Be careful when you pour it, please. 2 hands. No. Right about there. Beautiful. Now,
And we're going to shake it.
what are you doing with the limonade?
Then it's shaky time.
How are you shaking it?
Side to side.
Pop. Pop. Now, hold one hand down here, one hand up top, and quickly side to side. Do you want to shake it some more? Do you like that color?
And one more time. There we go.
Hold the bottom. Hold on the bottom. Hold the bottom. Hold the phone for me. Face phone at me. Face at me. This way. Sometimes it gets tough when all the friction happens, so you gotta twist it like this before it pops off. Thank you. Now what?
Yeah.
How are you straining it? Like so. Hold on. Just like this. Let's go. Ready?
Pour it right.
Tilt it up. Do you want any more ice into it?
And we'll use some more ice.
That's it?
And our watermelon.
Now, sir, are you going to add any watermelon to it? Another slice?
Which will be our next step? One big slice.
Ooh, what about this guy?
And some Sprite.
As you shook it.
You would like that sound because it's already loose.
Stop. Beautiful.
There. And now we're going to have touch.
What's the last touch?
A little bit of this organic mint.
Ooh. Now, when you're picking mint out, right, which one are you picking? The one with the most green color or the one with the brown?
The one with the most green color like this.
Like that? How are you putting that in? Garnish it like so. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Let's move this out of the way. Oh,
And there we have it.
now hold that. Look, hold that and look at the camera.
Our BYOI.
BYOI.
BYOI. As you know, bring our own eyes. Kid drink red lemonade.
Smile.
Let's see how my dad's gonna say how it tastes.
Ooh, that's super refreshing. You smell the mint. The mint is, it opens up your nose and gives you a nice, ready to drink feeling. You get a little bit of the watermelon and a hint of the raspberry. So that's really good. And then you get a lot of the lime. So lime sometimes a little bitter, a little tart and sweet, but then the Sprite comes in and says, you know what? We're going to be super refreshing and super flavorful and we're going to be good to drink. So I like it a lot. This is a red limeade. Okay. I want to see what you think, Caleb.
Oh, you're kidding me.
I am not kidding. I'm putting you on the spot. It is your turn to drink your red limeade.
It smells. The watermelon has a fruity flavor. I taste most of this and this. Lemonade and Sprite, and mostly not much of the raspberries, but I know it's in there.
Awesome. All right. Are we? Oh, and keep going.
And I know ice.
All right. So, Caleb, did you bring your own ice today? You brought a whole bucket full of ice.
Yeah.
Everybody on the interwebs, it's time to bring your own ice. Bye-bye.